What's up, guys? Welcome back. LF Transforming Beast Gohan. I think that's what this is called. The new Legends image. So this is like when he's about to do Special Beam Cannon. Maybe he's got the two fingers. So let's give this a go. Real big hair, right? So his head is like, the hair takes up most of the page. The head is like down here, and we can just see a fist and like the two fingers that come across his face. So we would start with the eyes because we can see those mostly. So we start with this tick line just here, center line, center halfway of my page is about here, right? We're just going to come down, right, in here, put the eyes down here. And I might have to zoom in for you because they're quite small. So tick a line going up, and we'll curve it a little bit down this way. Okay, and then we have a square end, and then we bring it back down, and it gets skinnier as we go down to the front. Okay, it's a different type of eyebrows now than we're used to. So the other eyebrow ticks up the other side because we're kind of in 3/4 pose, right? And it goes underneath his hair, so we can't see it all, but I'll draw in as if we can see it, and then square end and back down, and it just gets skinnier as we go down. Okay, now normally we have that W in the middle, but this is like a different style, right? So it like goes a line there, a line here. It's the computer generated sort of version. Not sure how I feel about it yet. I don't know. Not sure if I'm a fan, to be honest. I prefer hand-drawn things, but I'm biased. So then brow level there. Right, so eyes, right? So we got an eye here, short line, and then we have the long line, and then we curve these together there. And then his iris, and I think he does have pupils in this form, half circle, and then pupil just under here as well. And then over here, short line, long line, and then join it together like that. And then the iris again, semicircle just coming down from here, and then the pupil underneath. Right, so this one's bigger as well because we're in 3/4 pose. So then nose, kind of pointy. Okay, so we go that way, and then it like kind of hooks back here. There's like a little sort of frown line there, and then we can see the bridge of the nose just on the other side, like that. So what we can see for his mouth, right? So it comes out from underneath the nose, right? So it goes sort of up this way, and then it's going to curve around down in to here. It goes behind his finger, right? But let's imagine it goes like this way. And then we'll just, we'll do what we do. Do we need to do the finger first? Maybe. So like his finger, say here, cuts across his mouth, right? Bumping sort of down this way. Right, and so like the tip of the finger be here. one that side. And then we can see teeth inside here. And then bottom teeth. Like that. And the back, just like the back of his tongue, just kind of there. Okay. And then the bottom lip, just under there. I guess we get, so now like we have the fingers right here, and there's like cheek lines just above it, and like those cheek lines there. So I guess we got to finish this hand, right? So the other fingers come down, sort of bumpy. Sorry for the sniffling noises. Right, so his finger just comes down to like knuckles here. Same on this side. And the thumb is out, down. Like the inside of the hand is here. Like a bend line on the finger that way. Okay. And then the other two fingers are bent over here. Right. And then you have fingernails. Some knuckle lines. And then the back of his hand goes down this way, and he's got a wristband on, a black one. And then the back of the hand on this side goes down into that wristband. So these would be like knuckle lines here. All right. So finger sort of here and then knuckle there maybe. And then the wristband sort of bumps its way around like this. Okay, so that's the best I can do for that hand, I'd say. Okay, so his jaw then comes up the side here and disappears underneath his hair, right? He's got one big hair spike on this side, and then his face comes out from here, it looks like, just beside his eye, out around the brow, up to there. And then his hairline comes down this way to a V, and then it just kind of goes across there. And then this real big hair spike here, and down like so. You have some texture lines underneath. So we'll do the rest of the hair and then go for the body. So now this hair is huge, so we'll just go for it, right? These real big spikes. And another one there. crazy big. And then let me just keep building this up as best we can. Who needs his ear there, can we? Yeah. And then some hair comes out from behind the ear. One there. Just keep sort of adding, going all the way up this way. Another one here. Different type of Dragon Ball hair than we're used to. Similar spiking situation, but like just different shape, sort of. One in here. And I think that's all of them. Oops. I can make that energy, don't worry. So then you add texture lines to all these. And there's not a lot. You just follow each hair spike. Kind of like that. And I'll raise that one. I went over. Okay, so the rest of his arm kind of just goes down that way, right? You have like forearm kind of lines just going here, goes off my page, and then the shoulder comes back up, right? So it comes around to like his tricep area. So he just goes around the tricep, right? And then his shoulder muscles in here. In Dragon Ball, the shoulder muscle is usually like a little sort of spiking line like that, and then the bicep down there. And there's always a line that separates your bicep and your tricep, and a little extra sort of tricep line there. So we have like ripped and torn, kimono, gi sort of stuff here, and then like a shoulder line going that way. And like your shoulder muscles do have deltoid sort of lines on them, and then the rest of his clothing kind of ripped and torn goes around his hair there, and then around the shoulder, and then we have the opening for his chest going up this way and around the back of the hair, and his back muscle there. And then we got like a chest muscle, neck muscle, another neck muscle I think in there. And then the opening of his gi on the other side goes down behind that, and then his like chest area here. And then his shoulder on this side, the purple shoulder, like this part over there, and then his arm kind of sticks out where here, his forearm, so it goes out this way, and then he has another black waist or wrist, sorry, not waist, wristband, and And then the palm of his hand is here, this sort of W shape. Clenched fist, thumb there, and then we go up for the index finger and then knuckles on top. And on the side, we can see like the little finger and then the ring finger, and the middle finger, and the index is in behind there. So you just add your fingers then, like so, and like some knuckle lines. Thumbnail there. I think I'll put like some scratches and stuff on his face just to make it look like he's been fighting a lot. Right, and then so radial pattern kind of energy coming out from here, right? And I'll make this into a right, and then down this way. Okay. I think that's everything. Beast Gohan LF from Legends. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.